Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Redmi Buds 6 Play. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down just a bit. Right here we have Find Earphones, click on it. And now you can play a song for the left one or right one earbuds or for both of them. So just click on it, play. And when you find it, just click again and it stopped playing the song. We can also make it for the both by click on the both and then click again to stop playing it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.